Propagation of art is the responsibility of all artists. To propagate a wonderful opportunity that showcases our art, we take a few minutes of your time to announce this wonderful opportunity. The Rotary District 3192 has announced its Rotary Kala Hubba, a virtual platform for people to showcase their various artistic talents. The applications are open on the Rotary website. Please to apply to win various cash prizes. Please feel free to get in touch with Srimati Deepa Shashindran for further enquiries. For a tree to grow, a seed needs to be planted. For a child to become a legend, first it needs to be born. It is my privilege to introduce to you Srimati Deepa Narayanan Shashindran, the Guru, founder and life trustee of Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation. Guru Deepa Narayanan Shashindran is a fine, versatile artist of the Kuchipudi dance style of this generation. For nearly 4 decades, she dedicated herself to mastering the art form. Her journey began under the guidance of the renowned Kuchipudi exponent Srimati Manju Bhargavi at the age of 8. Notably, she was her Guru's first disciple to perform a Kuchipudi Rangapravesham in 1994. Born and raised in Bangalore, she became the first Kuchipudi artist from the second generation to carry forward the legacy of the late Guru Vempati Chinna Satyam in Karnataka. She later dwelled into new choreographies under Guru Vempati Ravishankar. Since then, she has independently strived to explore the subtle intricacies of creativity within the art form. In her 40 years of dancing, Deepaji has gathered vast and diverse experience as an artist. She has excelled as a performer, teacher, choreographer, curator, art entrepreneur, activist, and not only that, she has also been the HR transformation mentor in the software industry. Her contributions have earned recognition from various esteemed organizations including FKCCI, Amar, Garden University, Philanthropic Society of India. She is an empaneled artist under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India for festivals both within India and overseas. She has showcased her talent at numerous national and international performances, notably at the first International Kuchipudi Conference in Austin, US, as well as in Bahrain, Doha, Dubai, and other locations. Additionally, the Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation Trust, established by Deepaji, boasts a global student base across Europe, the USA, Australia, South Korea, the UAE, and South Africa. Now she is involved in various roles and has gained recognition for her brilliant and original choreographic works, including solo repertoires, features, and dance dramas. Her activities include presenting solo performances and collaborating with a creative ensemble. Moreover, she conducts inspiring workshops and lecture demonstrations for numerous students and curates the Natya Parampara Utsav Dance Festival at the Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation. Deepaji is deeply involved and extends to being an empaneled artist of international art organization Speakmaking, receiving grants from Sangeeta Nataka Academy, New Delhi, and Kannada Cultural Government of Karnataka. She is a graded artist of Doordarshan and an assisting member of the Chairman Textbook Committee Government of Karnataka, with her photography published in these textbooks. Furthermore, she serves as a co-opted member of the Karnataka Nritya Kala Parishad an interim advisory faculty member at Alliance Francaise University of Performing Arts and an examiner at Reva University of Performing Arts. She also actively participates in social responsibilities as a Rotarian with Rotary Bangalore Rajmahal Vilas. Beyond her dance pursuits, Deepaji holds a professional law degree and has served as a human resource specialist for 25 years in startups that grew into major corporate entities with benchmark processes and practices in the software industry. She founded and led a human capital management services firm, Karma Creators, for 10 years, catering to top software brands, before relinquishing it to focus on her passion for Kuchipudi art. Kuchipudi, that has always mesmerized Deepaji and many others we know, is a classical art form. Indian classical dance forms are mostly derived from Natya Shastra text authored by Sage Bharata. The name Kuchipudi denotes both the dance style and the village which exists even now in the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. It speaks of great history dating 500 or more years of evolvement under various rulers, scenarios, authors in time and continues to evolve. Siddhendra Yogi is considered to be the saint who gave a definite direction and shape to the Kuchipudi style of dance. Kuchipudi is predominantly a dance drama tradition or Yakshagana. One realizes that there is a close link between these and rules governing Kuchipudi in its present form. It was considered a male-dominated tradition until the last 100 years. It changed in these 100 years when women were also initiated to learn. Art has to adapt itself to the aesthetic sensibilities of the evolving times. It was with this idea in view that Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Shastri became the pioneer to initiate women into this form and created solo formats and introduced dancing on brass plates. With no further ado, we begin the Kuchipudi Natyam, the highlight program of the 10th edition of the Natyam Parampara Utsav. I request Srimati Deepa Shashindran to introduce the showcasing of today's program, Bhavanata.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. Sri Munipuli Subramanya Kavi, a scholar, poet who has become a forgotten composer. A pioneering composer with high musical merit, Munipuli Subramanya Kavi of 17th century. His time duration was from 1730 to 1780. Was a scholar, poet and musician in the Kalahasti Palayam court of King Damarela Timmappa Nayaka. However, there is a little authentic historical record about aspects like his personal life, students, so forth. It is also not certain that Subramanya Kavi's entire body of work has been found, but we know that he composed Adhyatma Ramayana Kirtanas, mostly in Telugu. Subramanya Kavi magnum opus is Adhyatma Ramayana, literally spiritual Ramayana lyrics. His retelling of the Ramayana is through music, using kirtanas, lyrics conceived as a conversation in music between Lord Shiva and Parvati. She asks questions about Ramayana and Shiva replies with a narration of the story in so many lyrics. There are 104 kirtanas spread over 6 kandas. Balakanda has 17, Ayodhya Kanda 9, Aranya Kanda 11, Kishkinda Kanda 10, Sundara Kanda 10, Yuddha Kanda 47. There are narration-oriented pieces with beautiful flavor of traditional music. The Raga Chaya is revealed in each lyric. The Mudra is Shesha Shaila. There was no Shishya Parampara, and over time Subramanya Kavi became a largely forgotten composer. his lyrics became confined to temples and homes that did not feature in kacheris. It is widely believed that their numerous word-heavy, long sentences filled charanams were the reason. Due to lack of propagation, this treasure would have been lost but for the efforts of A.I.R. Vijayawada and music giant Valeti Venkateshwarlu in the 1970s, who revived his work. It is a daunting task of conceiving this into a dance production because the text cannot be distorted, and a charanam has such long sentences that must fit into the particular raga according to the context, which I credit to my dear friend Rajani Malladi of Hyderabad, who is a gold medalist in Kuchipudi art form from Telugu University, for choosing the apt lyrics from the charanams to weave the entire story, of course in accordance to my vision, and music composition by Mavik Gurumurthy Garu, who is a Karnataka Kalashri, whom I know from my age of 8, and his potential for Kuchipudi music technique. And the entire orchestra who supported this production was marvelous, which you will witness in few minutes. With my 40 years of breathing Kuchipudi and from Vempati Master's Parampara, naturally he being a source of inspiration, I am trying to enhance my knowledge to best of my ability to reach closer to his body of works, of course unmatched. I would like to commend the spirit of my students to raise to the occasion and have faith that they will make me proud today. Not taking much time, we will commence the production soon. And I was also surprised the fact that today is Valmiki Ramayana Jayanti, Valmiki Jayanti. The reason being, we had planned this program 6 months ahead, and we had this planned at Seva Sadin Malaysia. But unfortunately, due to electrical snag, we had to move to this divine space. And I think it is Lord Rama who will choose his venue and his space to present his story. So, going to his feet, I now present to you Bhavanuta. Bhava means Shiva, Nuta is he praising Lord Rama. So, here is Bhavanuta to you. Thank you.
sani pani pama pama ga gama pama pani pani sa ga ma ga sani pani sa ga sani pama pani sani pama ga gama pani sa ga ma ga sani pani sa ga sani pama pani sani pama ga gama pani మంగళకరుణి రామ లక్ష్మణులు మహాభుజ గనులని ముని తెలుపను Radha मनसार सारसने मरुदासनी कामरूपिणियो चूर्पणखयनडो मारिनी बच्चियपुडो कनुगुने रघुवरुणी जगद्गुरुनी जगद्गुरुनी Om లక్ష్మణాయితని వినుత వాక్పటిమంపు ఘనశబ్దశాస్త్రమతమై శృతిహితమై తనరణిని రవికుల సోమా జయ జయ రవికుల సోమా జయ జయ శ్రీరామ
కొడుకు విధేయుడై సా
పట్టభద్రుడవై హాయిగా మము ప్రజలనేలు నీనాడు దశరథుచే మాయమ్మ చే కొనిన సిరి సేమము చేసి నాడు నా కొసంగిన ఛాయనిపుడు నీ కొసగితి సాష్టాంగ వినతి చే కొనమని రాఘవుని ఆయా వినా शांति शांति
To have watched a Sampurna Adhyatma Ramayana based on the works of the 17th century great scholar Sri Munipalai Subramanian Kavi. This production, which is conceived and choreographed by Acharya Deepa Narayan Shashindran, has a lot of other artists in the background who have worked to make this a masterpiece. The lyrics were compiled by Srimati Rajni Maladi, music composition by Sri G. Gurumurthy, vocal is by Deepti Srinath and Abhishek, Mridangam again by Sri G. Gurumurthy, flute by Sri Jairam Kikeri, violin by Sri Pradesh Achar, veena by Sri Gopal, rhythm pad by Sri Karthik V. On behalf of the audience and as a member of the audience, I thank all artists on stage and off stage for this spectacular, splendid show. Thank you. As we spoke of our distinguished guests, a few words about their commitment towards society and their work. I request our distinguished guests and the recipients of the felicitation of the Utsav, the Kathak duo, Hari and Chetna, also to come on stage, please. ex-corporator Vidyaranyapura, Dr. Lakshmi, Secretary of Malleshwaram Ladies Association, Dr. Padmini Sridhar, Bharatanatyam expert and artistic director, Nrityangana Academy for Performing Arts, and joining us is Srimati Sandhya Sharma, art critic, Kannada columnist and journalist. We, the Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation, considers blessed to have the honor of felicitating Doyen Kuchipudi, Shri Guru Shri Bhagavata Mohana Rao and Srimati Bhagavatula Prabhavati due to health issues.
Kuchipudi Parampara నాకు 10వ వార్షికంగా ఘన సన్మానం చేసి సత్కరించారు. వారికి ఆరోగ్య స్థితి సంబంధించి సుమంగళి పుత్రభోగాది వృద్ధిగా సుమంగళిగా జీవిస్తున్నారు. చాలా సంతోషం. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం కూడా ఇలాగే అందరికీ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Chaitanya ji and Hari ji to come forward as we would like to have the opportunity to felicitate you. Honored, and it is our privilege to honor the dynamic couple Hari and Chaitanya, leading Kathak exponents of Bengaluru, Karnataka. Artistic directors of Noble Performing Arts and Natya Lakshana Academy, they trained under renowned gurus, and they're especially grateful to Srimati Usha Venkateshwaram for her immense support and guidance. They are empaneled artists of the ICCR and auditioned artists of Doordarshan. They have performed at very prestigious platforms all over India, United States of America, Canada, the UK, Germany, Indonesia, France, Switzerland, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Saudi, Sri Lanka and the rest of Middle East, Luxembourg, Netherlands, and have won critical acclaim across these nations. They have had the honor to perform in the presence of the King of Ipoh, Malaysia, Her Royal Highness Princess of Kuwait, Princess of Jordan, His Royal Highness of Dubai. They are recipients of the Aryabhatta Award, the Kempe Gowda Award, and the National Peace Award, Sri Lanka. Hari and Chaitanya have a darling 13-year-old daughter, Sri Jani. I now request the guests and the Baji to felicitate this wonderful couple. for performing arts. She's the recipient of awards.
First of all, congratulations to Deepa Narayan Shashindran and her team members. It was a wonderful performance, and especially on Valmiki Jayanti. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿವ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ, ದೀಪಾ ಅವರು ಶಿವ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗಾಯ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳಂತೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸೀತಾ ಹನುಮಂತ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್. And thanks for inviting me, Deepa ma'am. And I'm sure we will have this in our MLA institution once. We would like all our children also to see this. And what a nice way to tell us the story of Ramayana again, especially on this day. I'm sure Valmiki is also blessing you. Thank you so much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಂಥ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆಂದಾಗಿ ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಜಯಂತಿಯಂದು ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣರಾವ್ ಶತೀಂದ್ರವರು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಈ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ವೈಭವಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳ ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ರೂಪಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಅನುಭವ ಲೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟವರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ನೃತ್ಯ ರೂಪಕಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾವಿದರುಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವಂಥ ಹೃದಯ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನುಭವದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅದು ಅಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಜನತೆ ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಹಿನ್ನಡೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣರವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರ ಪರಂಪರಾಗತವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಕುಚುಪುಡಿ ಒಂದು ವಂಶ ಪಾರಂಪರ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರಂಪರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏರಿಳಿತಗಳನ್ನು ದಾಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಕುಚುಪುಡಿ ಪರಂಪರಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಅವರು ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈವ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಾನು ಇದೊಂದು ಕುಚುಪುಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಾಲಾನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಗಿ ನಿರೂಪಕರು ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಅವರೇ. ದೀಪಾ ಅವರೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಲೈಮ್ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರದತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೀಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯಪುರದ ನಿವಾಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತ ಕೂತಿರೋ ಭಾಳ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಗಣ್ಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಕಲಾವಿದರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Deepa and I think we haven't met many times, but I've been seeing her being very busy in the field and doing her own work quietly and propagating her master's parampara. We were witness as young dancers for the Deccan Herald Festival of Dance Dramas, and Vempati Chinnasatyam sir used to bring his beautiful dance dramas to Chaudaya Memorial Hall. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ that of course there was a little bit of filmy influence in his dance drama, but he could capture the audience attention immediately, and the costumes, the grandeur of the settings. I think Deepa is continuing his tradition, and it is very nice to see being influenced by him and his work. And it's not easy to bring in so many artists at one time. Obru bandre obru baralla. Munche ella, when our teachers used to call us, we used to just leave everything and run. But now the gurus have to wait for their disciples to please come, please come, please come. We have to call them and make them dance. We have, as choreographers, we have so many ideas and ambitions, but it's not easy to put so many people on the stage. I should say congratulations, Deepa, on that. And the costumes have been beautifully made, and of course symbolic accessories have also been added so that the characters are recognized and identified on the stage. And all the artists were fully enthusiastic in their performance, especially the main characters, Jatayu and Hanumanta and Rama and Shiva. I think they've stood out today. I should congratulate them. And of course, I was about to tell Shurpanaka was really good, and the way she entered the stage itself, made it so mysterious who this is, and it was really good, and with her teeth out. And it was a beautiful evening spent here today. Thank you, Deepa, for having me here today and being part of this wonderful function. Thank you so much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಈ ನೃತ್ಯ ರೂಪಕದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ದೀಪಾ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಶೀಲತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಅನ್ವೇಷಕ ಮನೋಭಾವದವರವರು. ಅವರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ನಂದನಾರ್ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸೇವಾ ಸದನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೃಶ್ಯವತ್ತಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸೋವಂಥ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಥಿಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕವಾದಂಥ ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋ ಬದಲು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೃತ್ಯ ರೂಪಕದ ಕತೆ, ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕೀಯ ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥದನ್ನೇ ಹೊಸದನ್ನು ಆರಿಸ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಶಿವ ಪಾರ್ವತಿಯವರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ರಾಮಾಯಣ. ಆ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಇಡೀ ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳು ಬಿಚ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಧ್ಯ ಶಿವ ಪಾರ್ವತಿಯವರು ಕೂಡ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಶುದ್ಧ ನರ್ತನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಜನೇಯನ ದೃಶ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಮನಕಲುಕುವಂತೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇತ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಪದ್ಮಿನಿಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಅವಸರದ ನಡೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ನೀವು ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಈಗ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯದಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು, ವಿಪ್ಲವಗಳನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ ಅವರು ಹೊಸ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಹಾಡಿನ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದರೂ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಆದರೂ ತುಂಬ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ದೀಪಾ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಕರೆದು ಅವರು ನನಗೂ ಇದು ನೋಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಂತ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
I also request Chetna to say a few words on behalf. Okay.
I must tell this at this time, especially Deepa and Chetna, myself. I think we go back for a very long time. Our relationship and friendship is really few decades now, and I must tell you that ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ರೋಲ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆಂಟರ್ಪ್ರನರ್. It is not easy. I think the claps what you she deserves is more. So jora kortale and she deserves more, and she should be in the limelight. Actually, Aliba, I think all of you should clap because Deepa was in every character played, and the way sincere attempt was done, and it is not easy to be a choreographer and a festival organizer. It takes lot more than what you see. It's actually her hard work. Her husband came last minute, but I'm sure she's there all the time, and appreciating her will bring many more Ramayanas and different stories together. Thank you very much for having us, Deepa, and congratulations.
Like the
ಯಾರು ಮೈಕ್ನ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 35 years ಐ ಹವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ದೀಪಾ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನೇ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಐ ನೋ ಹರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 1992, 93 ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಗಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೀಪಂದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಸಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕಾಣೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ನೃತ್ಯ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ನೃತ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೇಳಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅವರು ಮಲಯಾಳಂ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ಆಗಿಂದ ಪೂಜ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೃತ್ಯನ, ಅದು ತೆಲುಗು ಕುಚಿಪುಡಿನ. ಈಗಲೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜು ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಮಲಯಾಳಂದು ಮೋಹಿನಿಯಟ್ಟಂನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟು ಕುಚಿಪುಡಿಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಮಂಜು ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಅವರ ಗರಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು. ಅವರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಥರನೇ ಇವರು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾತು, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಿನಾನಿಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೀಪ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಾಟಕ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ದೀಪಾದ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಸಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ನೃತ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಆ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸು ಅದು ಇದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ನೇ 99% ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ agree to me. I wish all the best for the future productions.
Once again, thanking you all for being here. Our gratitude to all of you, the esteemed guests, Kannada Culture Department, Government of Karnataka, Sangeeta Natka Academy, New Delhi, art patrons, donors, Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation trustees, and extended family of faculties, coordinators and students, the Ramana Maharshi Auditorium team and the backing support. Thank you so much. Our no amount of words can express our gratitude. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you all next year at the 11th edition in 2024. Thank you. Have a good evening.